अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सैयद एहतशामुल हक। मैं इन्वायरमेंटल एंड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट क्लाइमेट चेंज स्पेशलिस्ट हूँ बेस्ड इन लॉस एंजलिस। और आज का जो हमारा प्रोग्राम है आगाही का माहौलियात, और हम उसके प्लेटफॉर्म से हम कुछ आगाही मालूमाती फ़ोटोग्राफ्स और वीडियो शेयर करना चाहेंगे जो कि हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेजिंग है, हार्मफुल है। So there are open dumps all over Punjab and Pakistan which are contaminating the underground water, surface water, and are generating huge volumes of harmful air emissions. One example of the harmful air emissions is a large plume of methane gases hanging over Lakodare, which is being monitored by satellite and being reported internationally and could result into a catastrophe. So what is happening with these open dumps and what is the impact? Major health hazard and greenhouse gases emissions are contributing to an adverse climate change impact, enhanced long-term incidences of lung cancer, brain diseases, and hepatitis. The underground water contamination is destroying our food supply chain, and cleanup, mitigation and remediation of these sites is of utmost importance. Necessity. It is a necessity. We have to do it because we contributed for last 76 years to create this contamination, and now we must mitigate and remediate it. Besides stopping further dumping at open sites, it is imperative, it is necessary that new safe disposal facilities, that is the landfills as per the national environmental quality standards and United States EPA standards and other international standards, should be designed in the shortest possible time. And I think design doesn't take a lot of time. It could be done in 3 months. This design should be adopted as a minimum design specification and shared with all cities. This will give us an advantage that investment and effort on designing for each city independently will be saved. The new safe disposal facility should be developed within, and it can be done within 8 to 12 months and made operational. This is possible only by creative design and innovative implementation. Once new landfill is ready, we must start closing in parallel the dump sites as per international standards. Most of us think that to design and develop a landfill it takes 3 to 4 years, but if we are creative and innovative, we can do it in 12 months. I will take you throughout the cities which are now operated by MCs all over Punjab. And if we look at it, what we are seeing is Islamabad and Rawalpindi, they dump together at Losar landfill, and the dump site which is increasing leachate migration and harmful air emission. Losar dump site is being used by both Rawalpindi and Islamabad, and you can see that child labor is also involved in scavenging. Coming to Faisalabad dump, we can see that the dump, part of the dump is already on fire and leachate is migrating into their canal system. And next is Lahore. This was supposed to be the state-of-the-art landfill and the first one in the country when the idea was conceived, but today it is the worst disaster for us, which will require not even millions but maybe billions of dollars to mitigate and remediate. All the downstream agricultural land is contaminated with the leachate, and leachate is flowing continuously. I will show you a small video after this talk, and you will see how profusely the leachate is coming out and migrating from just one part of the landfill, but it is all over or all around, and especially in the downstream it is contaminating the underground water and surface water, and of course the emissions from landfill gases. So this is liquidated dump site, and no soil cover, no environmental protection, and from being a state of art and example, we have created the worst disaster for the Lahore. And then we go to other cities also. What we find is that the Multan site is one of the sites which has multiple unlined dump sites. They don't even know how many dump sites they have, and it is all over the city. These dumps are generating harmful air emissions, and underground and surface water contamination is taking place every second. If you go to Rahim Yar Khan, same story is there. You go to Bahawalpur, same story is there. You go to DG Khan, same story is there. And Saiwal, they have been dumping at the edge of a major canal, and the canal water is being contaminated continuously, and this water is being used downstream by everyone. It is being used for bathing, it is being used for drinking, and a major disaster. So what happens is that we have to look deeply into this problem and mitigate, remediate and rehabilitate these dump sites to save the environment and resources for our future generations. One positive thing which is taking place in Punjab is Chief Minister's recent decision, which is very bold, and also I am appealing the Honorable Chief Minister of Punjab that besides the cleaning campaign, the establishment of new safe disposal facilities and landfills should be undertaken on the fast track in parallel with mitigation, remediation and rehabilitation of the old dump sites. Thank you very much. Allah bless Pakistan.